So solving equations when there's two absolute values involved of this form. Let's talk about that. So say for example, we have 3x minus 4 equal to 5x plus 12. So the way this works, it's really similar to if you had one of them. You write the original as your first equation. Then on the second equation, you have to negate the other side. Well, the other side has more than one thing, so you put the negative and in parentheses. So to solve this one, we would say, well, I'm going to minus 3x and get 2x minus 12 and get negative 16. So x is equal to negative 8. On this side, we're going to say, okay, distribute in that negative, then add over 5x, add over 4. 8x equals negative 8, x equals negative 1. So we have these two solutions that would make these two absolute values equal to each other, we think. But we should check. So 3 times negative 8, negative 24, minus 4, so you have negative 28. Does that equal 5 times negative 8 is negative 40, plus 12, negative 28. Boom. Checking this one. Negative 3 minus 4, negative 7. Negative 5 plus 12 is 7, but remember the absolute values. Make them indeed equal, and we're good. These two solutions check out. Let's do one more example. Let's say I was given 2x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 2. So writing the original and writing if we had a negative on the other side. So solving the original, subtracting 2x, we'd end up with x equal to negative 3. On this side, distributing in that negative, plus 3x to both sides. So we have 5x minus 1 equals negative 2, add 1. 5x equals negative 1, divide by 5, and x equals negative 1/5. Checking both of these out, negative 6, because times by negative 3, minus 1 is negative 7. Is that equal to negative 9 plus 2, negative 7? Boom, checks out. Negative 2/5 minus 1 is negative 7/5. Negative 3/5 plus 2 is equal to 7/5. So 7/5 equals 7/5. And we end up with another true statement. So both of these work. So remember, when you have two absolute values equal to each other, original, negate the other side. But remember to put it in parentheses because it goes to the entire thing.